Oh. You can actually push the vehicle to its limits, and you can also test if you are matapang or a bit mahina. I brought it to the off-road, I brought it to the on-road. It is tested and approved. SoJooCars approved. D Max. Today, we're gonna test its limit to a higher level. Finally, we have arrived here in Clark. We're here in 2021 Philippine Isuzu Rallycross Challenge, and I've been invited. I'm together with Reagan, who's super competitive, so I'm not gonna compete with him anymore. And let's see what the D Max can do. As you know, I have tried the D Max in the off-road, on-road, and yes, it is a capable vehicle. Today I'm gonna race. This is my first time to actually wear a helmet to race something. So
line up.
Wish me luck. So the moment I arrived here, we had lunch. We had Tokyo, not sponsored. I didn't finish the water because Sir Mon will make me piss and pee in my pants. So I am gonna bring this bottle inside so I can actually wee here later, okay? So let's see what happens. Ay, may pasalubong from Isuzu Philippines. Ano kaya yun? Unboxing. Whoa! My first ever helmet in my life. Ano to? Beard? Yun! Wow! May cover pa, oh! Where will I use the cover? For my laundry. I'm just kidding. Yun, bagong-bago. Hindi surplus. Kasi dito sa Clark, puro surplus eh. Tcharam! Thank you so much, Team Isuzu Philippines. Thank you. So I hope I can use this for maybe 20 years, diba? Warranty. May resibo? Wala. May gift? Wala. Oh, 7 days warranty. Yon! Woo! It looks so good. Wow! Isuzu D Max. Woo! Nice. This is like a sportwear, so my sweat, my pawis will fly away like paru-paru G, okay? So guys, we're not the only ones here competing today. There are like so many different customized, like race-ready vehicles. So it's my first time to actually experience something like this. So thank you. Huge shout out to Isuzu Philippines. Woohoo! Yon. Ba't wala akong sombrero? Meron. Joke. Ay, mayroon sombrero. Yun. Taran! May cap ako. Yun, guys. Oh, look. SoJooCars. Isuzu. Kanina it was Suzu, but it's now Isuzu. Thank you so much, and we need to peel this. No. I'm sorry. Yun, unwrapping. LS2 helmet. Oh. Hi guys, do I look okay? Do I look cool like Reagan? No. Parang I don't look like Reagan. Kanina Reagan looked cool, but me parang hindi. Yun. Tcharam! The way we start the race is there are different categories like UV, rear wheel, and four wheel. So that's where you line up, and then you give your name, and then you sign. Then they will tell you what time you're gonna start. So when you go there, you can see the big digital clock. So you're ready to hataw. So like before 10 seconds before the time, turn off the aircon and start preparing yourself. And then you go crazy and try to avoid all the obstacles. And that's it. It kind of sounds easy, but it is quite fun and challenging at the same time. Mixed emotion. But there was no emotional damage in this Rallycross.
20 seconds.
But I can't see anything.
No, that's not gonna blow out, don't worry. Turn off the aircon na.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Go! Hataw, hataw!
Si Jack!
Si Jack! 90, 100, 110.
Go, go, faster,
110.
faster. Yung mga cone, tsaka magbe-brake.
And then?
Not here, not here. Dito,
here.
yeah, go, go, go. Yan. Go.
Here, and then?
Left, or
go.
left, go, go. Woo! Lipat, make it fly, make it fly. Woo! Come on, make it fly. Make it fly, brother. Woo! Come on, come on. Make it fly. You can do it. Control the car. Control. Counter steer. Yeah, counter steer. Come on.
Let's go! Let's go! Where's
Okay,
it?
how about counter steer? Oh, careful, careful, careful. Okay, okay. Catch the tail, catch the tail. Alright, hataw,
okay,
hataw.
we're okay, we're okay.
We're good. Just have fun, just have fun.
No traction!
Yep. Alright, go. This is a chicane, chicane. Woo! Okay, okay.
Let's go!
Catch the tail, catch the tail.
Let's go!
Go, 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 go.
Go to the top!
Hey, keep it straight, keep it straight. Keep it straight, brother, keep it straight. Alright. Alright, this is a hard right.
Okay, brake ba?
Yeah, brake. Brake. Then hard right, right.
Ah,
Okay, you
yo.
overshot. Okay lang. Go, go, go. Okay, go.
Okay.
And then there's gonna be a left here. Right, just stop the brake. And then go left. Alright. Play with the throttle, play with the throttle. Just good enough to control the tail.
Okay.
This is a hairpin, huh? U-turn, huh? Brake. Alright. And throttle. Alright. You got it. You got it. Alright. Ease up the throttle if you need control.
Okay.
Brake. Alright.
Oh, where's this?
Throttle. Right. Yan.
Kala ko tapos na.
Hindi pa. Go. Konti na lang. Last turn. Left, ha? Left. Alright. Woo! Alright, and stop.
Yeah.
Here, go to stop sign. That's where you'll just stop your time. Okay. How's the feeling? You good?
Yeah, but
Did you piss your pants?
not yet. I'm no longer a rally virgin! So I have completed my 2 laps, and maybe in the future I can do it better. So I want to say super thank you to Isuzu Philippines for giving us this opportunity to experience trying to rallycross in this kind of crazy terrain. Super sandy and not muddy, but soil and stuff like that. So if you haven't tried it, definitely you should try it. And wow, it was a great experience. The bottom line is we managed to survive, and having the helmet and all these things really made me feel a bit emotional that I can actually do something like this. Wow, thank God, really. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. 감사합니다.